Hey, so if Leonardo AI is not showing results, yeah, like you generate images but nothing appears, or the page stays empty, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, just refresh the page. I mean, sometimes results don't load properly due to a temporary glitch. Next, yeah, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, slow or unstable connection can stop results from loading. Now, log out and log back in. I mean, session issues can prevent results from displaying correctly. Yeah, sometimes results are there but hidden due to filters or sorting. Reset them to default. Now, corrupted cache can break the results page. Clearing cache often fixes missing outputs. Yeah, extensions can block scripts that load generated images. Try turning them off temporarily. Now, incognito mode helps bypass cache and extension issues. I mean, this is a quick way to test if that's the problem. Yeah, try another browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, this helps rule out browser-specific issues. If nothing works, check if Leonardo AI servers are down or overloaded. I mean, results won't show during outages. So yeah, that's how you fix Leonardo AI not showing results. Most of the time, it's cache issues, session bugs, or server problems. Try these steps and your images should appear again. Thanks for watching.